Hi, my name is Kathy Puffer. I am part of a global network of biogas innovators and educators working to bring clean cooking technology to everyone who needs it.
I conducted a problem and solutions survey of 15 biogas entrepreneurs in Haiti and across Pan African countries, which highlighted a key need: outreach and marketing support. Small scale biogas entrepreneurship involves many interconnected pieces: technology, incentives, training, and sustainability, and effective storytelling is essential. These practitioners are already helping families transform waste into fuel, save money, and enrich the soil. Comics and visuals rooted in local culture can make biogas relatable, understandable, and empowering. With these stories, anyone can become a clean cooking superhero. That's where art comes in. Visual storytelling brings new ideas to life in ways manuals can't, honoring local knowledge and diverse languages. In Thony Loui's Biogas comic, a pig shows how organic waste becomes clean fuel and fertilizer, making biogas feel simple and familiar. Across the global majority, from northern Uganda to Haiti, people learn best through visuals and their own languages, yet most materials exist only in English, Spanish, or French. WhatsApp becomes the bridge, delivering clear, relatable explanations to families without computers. Trust grows when people see themselves in the story, not just in technical diagrams. Comics bridge that gap, turning community creativity and knowledge into an empowering visual tool that makes small-scale biogas understandable, accessible, and inspiring. Guided by Tony's belief that anyone can be a superhero, it shows that clean cooking leadership lives in every household, such as women caregivers and providers, leaders in household energy choices, everyday champions such as biogas practitioners, farmers, students, and artisans supporting families and local economies, children in schools, coloring characters, creating stories, and bringing home knowledge about turning waste into fuel and fertilizer, young leaders inspiring change, helping communities turn smoky kitchen and high fuel costs into clean cooking, lower expenses, and healthier homes. Comics help us share the joy of cooking on biogas made from our own waste, translating that joy into stories and experiences that everyone can relate to. When people see themselves represented with dignity, strength, and possibility, they better understand these solutions and feel empowered to adopt them. With your support, we'll share this biogas comic on WhatsApp and in local outreach, giving practitioners a culturally grounded visual tool to explain their work and show that anyone can become a clean cooking superhero too.
Join us in celebrating local knowledge, honoring languages, and real people powered change. Together, through the art of storytelling and beautiful illustrations, we can make small scale biogas education accessible to everyone who needs it. Thank you.